When the brand reached out to me and asked me if I would give their shoe bags a try, I was like, yes, I will, because we work in the garden a lot. I do have gardening shoes and more dressier tennis shoes, but it never fails that I find myself outside working in the yard. I look down and I have my good tennis shoes on. So when they get dirty, it can be a real hassle to put them in the washer. We all know what shoes in the dryer sound like. So let's fix that problem right now. So these bags are so unique. I was so excited when I got them. They're just really cool. So the inside, you can see, has this like chenille. I feel like I want to get in it. It's like a soft, soft blanket, but it has kind of like little fingers. And then the outside is also a very soft chenille. It does have a drawstring close. So when you drawstring it closed, you'll pull it down tight, tight, tight. And then it's got the little button releases to loosen. So once you put your shoe inside, you will close your bag on both sides, close it nice and tight. And one shoe goes in each bag for best results. So your shoes will get a little cleaner if they're just in there by themselves and the machine is doing its thing in there in your washing machine. And those little fingers inside are literally cleaning your shoes. So one of the things they did say in the instructions was that you can add a little bit of detergent inside the bag with your shoe if you like, especially if they're dirty. The other thing is you want to make sure you knock off any like clumps of dirt. You don't want to put that in there because that'll clog up your washing machine, to be quite honest. So yeah, you can put these right in the washing machine. That's the whole idea. You can wash your pair together, and then when you take them out of the washer, you can put them straight into the dryer, and you know that the sound is going to be much nicer than that god-awful thump, 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 thump when you put shoes in the dryer, because they have literally a piece of clothing around them to keep them soft. So then when you're all finished, open your bag, pull your drawstring, get your shoe out, and then, oh, and it is mesh on one end too, I'm sure, and on the sides. So I'm sure that helps the water to go in and out. But then when you're all finished, you can turn these inside out and hang them to dry. You can actually put them in the dryer as well, but I probably will just hang mine on my laundry hook and let them dry completely before you use them again. One thing it also said is you want to make sure that you wash your bags. Just wash them one time without any shoes in them in order to just get rid of all the lint and all the stuff that comes on new fabric. So you'll want to wash them and dry them one time before you use them. So the other thing I loved is these little travel bags. So I'm getting ready to take a cruise, and these will be absolutely perfect in my suitcase. So it came with 2 of them. So I will just put my shoes right in there. They are also drawstring, and then I can just tie it, and it'll keep my shoes away from my clean clothes in my luggage. So I really, truly love that. I am truly looking forward to giving this product a try. I can already tell that the quality is really incredible. The seams are just really, really well done. You can feel the quality in the material. So I hope this was very helpful. And I hope if you have dirty shoes, you will grab yours today.